Hello kids, good afternoon. Today we will talk about electricity and how can we prevent electrical dangers. And the expected learning outcome is analyze some common electrical dangers. So let's begin. Remember, electricity is a form of energy, a power that makes some useful things work, like the washing machine, okay? We use electricity to light and heat our houses. Look at this. This house has light and probably is heated by electricity. Let's continue. Well, as we already saw some information about electricity, I will ask you to open your science book on page 84 and find the things that use electricity in the exercise 1. Circle them with color red, okay? Go through all these images and decide or identify the ones that use electricity. When you have done so, in the exercise number 2, you will write the name of the things you circled in activity 1. In case that you don't remember the words or that you have problems writing them out, I have given you a word bank. This is a word bank: computer, vacuum cleaner, and washing machine. Okay? So, in order for you to write them down, okay? You will do it individually. Remember, circle with color red all the items that use electricity. Okay. After that, we will look at this video. Watch this video, please.
Electricity is important, but it's dangerous too. When you work with electricity, you should wear a hard hat and goggles made of plastic. You should wear gloves and a heavy jacket too. Be careful not to use too many plugs at a time in one socket. And keep your fingers away from plug sockets at all times. Electricity is amazing, but it's always important to stay safe too.
Okay, did you see the video? Good. What is it talking about? What images did you see? What is dangerous? What do you have to wear when you work with electricity? They gave you all that information, okay? So if you want to watch this video again, you can replay it so you can watch it and get more information that you might need, okay, for the classes. Now, they talk about some of the things that a person who works with electricity needs. For example, these are gloves. These gloves are special for an electrician to work with. So you cannot touch only electrical items without any protection, okay? Now we will talk about the questions. It says, copy this activity in your science notebook. You have the date, the road, and you have the topic. And remember, the topic is with color red. And you have the size, the symbol of a video because you saw the video already. And remember, you can see the video again if you need to get more information and you need to review the information, okay? It says questions and answer routine. Why? Because I'm going to make some questions to you, okay? Please copy this activity in your science notebook. Instructions: answer the questions about the video. What is the video about? Is electricity dangerous? Which of these things can protect you when you work with electricity? And you have two options: a hard hat and gloves, a sweater and shoes. Okay, you will do it and copy it in your notebook. Okay, continue. Now, we will continue with page 86. Okay, page 86. On this page, you will look at the picture and answer activity 1 and activity 2. Okay, look at the girl. What is she wearing? What is she working with? And it says in the number 1, find the following clothes items in the picture. There is a hat, gloves, and glasses. Write a letter for the corresponding clothes, okay? Also, answer the questions. What is the person in the picture doing? She is. And what helps her stay safe? Safe is secure, okay? Not in danger. Also, there is a note. It says, did you know? Cleaning your computer monitor on your television screen while it is turned off could minimize the risk of a static shock when your hair is like that, static, okay? Now, when you answer this page, go ahead with the next one. It says science book, page 87, and let's try. Is it safe? Look at these safety items right here on this part. Say what they are made, say what they are and what they are made of. Talk about how they can help to keep you safe from the dangers of electricity, and complete the chart below. Gloves, goggles, an apron, a jacket, and a hard hat. You have item, goggles, gloves, an apron, a jacket, and a hard hat. It is made of plastic, rubber, and hard plastic. I already put the material because maybe I help you a little. But you will complete the last chart on your own. What they can, if they protect us, it or they protect or protects my eyes, what part of your body these things protect, okay? Complete it on your own, please, and when you finish it, try to check that you are correct, okay? After that, we will continue with the exercise. Let's learn. Activity 1. Look at the picture of a plug. Circle with green the part that is plastic and with red the part that is metal. For example, look, I have a hair dryer. I dry my hair with this, and it has a plug. This is a plug. You will circle with color green the part that is plastic, and with color red the part that is a metal. And you can see this is a socket, okay? This is a socket. So be careful when you are plugging when you put the plug in the socket, okay? Now, your final activity will be science book, page 88. You will answer exercises 2 and 3, and there is an audio for exercise 3. Science book, page 88, answer exercise 2 and 3, and there is an audio for exercise 3, okay? This is the audio. Let's listen to it.
Electricity is one of the great inventions in history. It makes our lives easier, but it can be dangerous if we don't handle it properly. It is very important to learn some safety tips to prevent accidents. These are some ideas. Never play near power lines. You could get an electrical shock. Don't plug a lot of electrical devices in one same socket. This can cause a fire. Never mix water and electricity. This is a very dangerous combination and can cause serious harm to people. Don't put a cup full of drink on or near electrical devices. This can harm you and your electrical things. Never touch the socket with your fingers. Electricity can go right through you.
Like this.
Keep all electric wires neat and tidy. Pets might chew the cord, and people might fall.
Tidy. Okay, you heard already the information, you listened to it, and this is for the exercise 3, the audio 3. Now, this is your homework, okay? The class was very fast, but remember, it's all about electricity, and you have all the information in this video. You have information in the book. You will have information in the notebook. And if you have any doubt, well, we can talk about the doubts in another class, okay? Now, the homework will be due on Friday, May 8th, 2020. Friday, May 8th, 2020. Remember to send a screenshot of page 89. Your homework will be page 89 through Algebraize. So what will you do on this page? You will watch a video that will help you answer page 89. Like in the previous video, they talked about safety, okay? How you can prevent electrical dangers. So please, you can listen to it again, and you can also answer the page 89 with the video from page 88, okay? It will help you a lot. So I will leave you a link to a video that can also help you to answer page 89, okay? It talks about preventing electrical dangers, because it is necessary that we prevent any danger at home, not only electrical, any other danger too, okay? So you will answer this page 89, and you will send it to me through Algebraize on May 8th. It's a Friday, May 8th, 2020. I will be expecting your homework, and I hope you do a great job. Remember, keep safe, wash your hands, take care, don't touch the sockets, okay? Don't touch the socket with your fingers. Be careful with the electrical items, okay? And I hope that we can see each other very soon. Take care. And the class is over, and I hope that you have passed a wonderful Children's Day. Thank you. Goodbye. One more.